Dear students, today we are going to learn about how to control fire. We know that burning produces fire. This fire, it is useful as well as harmful. We make small fire in a gas stove to cook our food. This is useful fire. Without fire we cannot cook food. When fire breaks out in a house, office, factory, oil tanker, petrol pump, then this fire, it is harmful. It can cause loss to life as well as loss of property. So the process of extinguishing a fire is called fire fighting. We know that any fire, it needs three things to be present. One is combustible substance should be present, which is also called as fuel. Air should be present, or we may say that oxygen should be present, and heat should also be present. Without these three things, air will not occur. So fire can be extinguished in three ways. Number one is by removing the fuel, by removing the heat, or by cutting off the air supply to the burning substances. First of all, we will learn about remove the fuel. When fire starts in a room, all the combustible substances should be removed at once so that the fire may not spread. If possible, cooking gas cylinder should be removed and electricity should be switched off. Now, removing the heat. We know that water, it is used to remove heat from a burning substance and to make it to cool down to burn further. Water extinguishes heat by cooling the burning substance. When water is thrown on a burning substance, it gets cooler below its ignition temperature and also stops burning. When fire brigade man throws a strong stream of water on a building on fire, the burning material gets cooled down to below its ignition temperature and fire is extinguished. The water vapor, which is produced by the action of heat of fire on water, surround the burning material and help in cutting off the supply of air. Fireman extinguishes the fire by throwing water under pressure on the burning things. The fire which is produced by burning oil and petrol cannot be extinguished by using water. Why this is so? Because the water is heavier than oil and petrol, so when water is thrown over burning oil, it settles down. The oil floats on water and continues to burn. And also the fire caused by the electric short circuit or in an electrical appliance or in an electrical wiring should also not be extinguished by throwing water, because ordinary water, that is a good conductor of electricity, so it can conduct electricity and can give electric shock to a person involved in the firefighting. And the number third is cutting off the air supply. The air supply to a substance can be cut off in a number of ways, such as the burning substance, covering the burning substance with carbon dioxide, covering the burning substance with sand, blanket, or a damp cloth. The electrical fires are extinguished by using carbon dioxide gas by fire extinguisher. There are many advantages of using carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is denser than air and forms a layer around the burning substance. It covers the fire like a blanket, due to which fresh air cannot reach the burning substance. The burning substance does not get oxygen of air and hence stop burning. Carbon dioxide gas, it neither burns itself nor supports burning, and it also does not harm the electrical equipment. And also the fire caused by the burning of inflammable substances or inflammable materials like oil or petrol are also extinguished by using carbon dioxide fire extinguishers. And this carbon dioxide, it is used for extinguishing fire, and it can be stored as liquid at high pressure in cylinders. When released from the cylinder, carbon dioxide expands enormously in volume and cools down. Carbon dioxide not only forms a blanket around the burning substance, but it also cools down the burning substance. A small fire can be extinguished by throwing sand or soil over it. When sand is thrown over burning kerosene oil, the sand covers it like blanket. The sand cuts off the air supply to the kerosene oil, due to which the fire gets extinguished. And if the clothes of a person working in a kitchen catch fire, the person is immediately covered with a blanket When the burning clothes of a person are covered with blanket, the supply of air to the burning clothes is cut off and hence the burning stops. So this was about how to control the fire. Thank you.